But let's start right into the topic. First of all, just open your Windows search icon and type in settings, and then just open settings app. And then first of all, head over to the privacy and security settings, and then on the top at security section, click on Windows Security. And then first of all, we're going to look at virus and threat protection. And right in the middle, click on Manage Settings at Virus and Threat Protection Settings. And then scroll down to the very bottom until you see exclusions. And here click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Yes. And then first of all, we're going to find where our Apex Legends is installed. So when you're launching it through Origin, just open Origin, and it works completely the same. So just in Steam, open your library, right-click on your Epic Apex Legends, click on Properties, and then click on Local Files, and here just click on Browse, and then select. That's the easiest way to find just a folder of Apex, and then just in here in the exclusions, click on Add an Exclusion, click on Folder, and then just select the folder we just found. Yeah. Same thing with Origin, just make sure to find your Origin Apex folder and to select it here in the exclusions field. Then, next of all, we're going to switch to the firewall and network protection. And here click on the first link of these 5, allow an app through firewall. And then we're going to see this list with all our allowed apps and features. And then just scroll down to all of the Steam ones and make sure to just first of all, if there is anything that is unchecked here, click on Change Settings, and then make sure that all of these buttons here or things are checked at Steam. And then when you've made that sure, click on OK. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to know that. And then when you've done that, we can already close this and head back to our Steam. Find our Apex Legends again, right-click on it, click on Properties, switch over to Local Files, and then just click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So just make sure that you check your game files for any errors or issues. In the case of Apex, this might take a few moments longer, but I would just suggest you to do that. Then if there are any errors regarding your installation files. That's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment. I'm always happy to answer your comments and questions as soon as possible, and then we will truly find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.